Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you my portfolio. So the reason I made this portfolio is for when I begin applying for UX internships and I want to show them something. I want them to know that I can not only make a portfolio with content and text, but also I can show them my diverse selection of work. On this portfolio, they will be able to see my projects, be able to contact me, and know a little bit more about me as a person. So the way I created this portfolio is through Figma. This is not my ending product. I will be using the structure as an outline for when I'm coding the actual website. I'll be using the Visual Studio Code as we've been learning throughout the year, and I'm currently only using the live server and spell check as extensions. But if more extensions are needed, it's an easy download. The two languages I'll be focusing on are the CSS for styling and JavaScript, but I'll also be using HTML. So to go through my website here a bit, I have my name here in the top left, and then here's my nav bar, and then I'll have about me and a contact. So right on the landing page, I'm going to have my projects, and I'll have them kind of squared off like this with their titles underneath. So then when you click on it, it'll go into another page which will give you more detail about each project. So once you click the nav bar up top, it'll take you to this contact form. So this form, they would just place their name, their first name, last name, email, then whatever message, and hopefully the form can go through to my email. And then at the very bottom, I'll be having a little about me. So I have a picture of myself, and then I'll have this little box where it'll contain information about myself, my studies, my interests, and my skills. So although I make this sound very straightforward, it isn't for me at least. I've been having trouble organizing my CSS properly. I've noticed that even throughout the year, I tend to go back and try to fix things, which usually causes more some type of error. Therefore, to fix this problem, I will have to be very tedious and make sure that after I formatted something with the CSS, I have to be happy with it. And if not, then it has to just be like an easy input or replace. I can't really redo an entire code, or else I feel like I'm just going to run into an error. Also, in the latest assignment, I had trouble getting the confirmation message, like the thank you message, after the contact form was sent. So I think this was due to me trying many different ways of having that message pop up. So this time I'm just going to stick to the original format that was shown and compare that to what I did in the last assignment so that hopefully I can get a better turnout. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the styling of the website. I obviously have to convert all of this into the CSS, into VS Code. I also plan on making my landing page a bit better. The way the images are placed here are just a little weird, and so maybe I'll add some detail or maybe some type of borders around them so that they are kind of placed in their own section. But other than that, all I really have to do is have more information after clicking on one of these and having it go to another page explaining what the project was, and then having the my angle about the project. And also I need to fill out the about me section here. But other than that, yeah, that is my portfolio, and thank you for listening.